What is up, friends and foes? It's Cali1. I'm here with Damien, and we are at the Armory, Naval Armory. We are about to go inside this little hole here and do some exploring. So, I haven't done a ton of research on this place, but it was some sort of naval facility. They have a gymnasium, they have classrooms and stuff like that. We're going to come inside and explore it. Right now we're in the basement. I've done some steel wool spinning down here. Post photos of that. This place is very dark. It's also very creepy. And I've been here late at night. All the paint chipping, steel cages, doorways and hallways. I'll post a bunch of photos of this place. This place is very cool, but also very creepy and very run down. So this area, I believe, was a gym where they had weights and probably medicine balls, free weights and stuff like that. People used to work out in here. Pretty sure this thing, I think it was this.
What?
This was some sort of sauna. See, it says sauna at the top. So, this was, I think, the weight room with this, what is weird now, this wood tile floor. You know, this is an old building, so old school setup. Some nice graffiti on the wall. And this has always been a cool place to explore, depending on the time of day you hit it. And the light coming in from the windows in here, and you'll see the other room like the gymnasium. We're gonna make our way to the gymnasium. Wow. This thing is still here. It's been here for a long time. And no one's destroyed it. That doesn't happen in Detroit. All right, we're gonna move on. made it to the gymnasium. Again with this wood tile floor. And, oh wow. This has been open for a while, but it's getting worse every year. And part of the reason I think it's so bad is there was a beam that was cut that basically someone needed some steel or something and took it from this section over here, and then eventually with the stress of winter and snow and rain led to that part caving in. This place is great in the evening. As you can see, someone lighting off smoke bombs here or some sort of torch. But people come in here and shoot all the time. And it's great around sunset and evenings and late at night when I've been here. It's really creepy. It's a ginormous place. Got one basketball hoop left. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, two left. There's a walkway that goes around the top floor all over. And then all these are like, some are offices, some are classrooms. Here's the front entranceway, which is like a nice entranceway with a bunch of wood doors. And so these were classrooms and offices, and this is right on the Detroit River. This place is badly falling apart though. I'm gonna go upstairs, check out some of the classrooms and offices. Took some late night photos in here one night. I've used this room at all hours of the day and all hours of the night to take some interesting photos. But I could never sort of portray how massive this place is. I mean, it's like 2 basketball courts side by side and with little space between them, so it's almost like 2.5, 3 basketball courts wide, or lengthwise all the way down there. It's just massive. And then, like I said, you have these little rooms, which are like classrooms, stuff like that. The one I showed you up here with the chalkboard, just all over. Damien's trying to get a reflection shot off that water, but it's too dark in here, so I don't think it's gonna work. But I wanna venture over to this growth I saw in this room. Maybe there's a good photo opportunity there. Oh, look at this. Lone chair, peeling paint on the walls. Yeah, I'm gonna get a photo of this. So, just grabbed some quick shots. Now I'm looking for the green room that I saw. And I think it's right around here. Oh yeah, vegetation station. Not going in here, but look at that. All the growth.
Gross.
Yeah, I love that though. The green floor. Like I wanna find a bando with just a whole, just green mossy floor.
You ever seen the movie Troll? When the
No.
troll takes over the building.
No. Yeah.
Kind of like this, with the growth taking over.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try and take some photos of this and see what I can get. But I think it looks super cool. Alright, I took a couple photos. I think I got the green room shot. Now we're going to proceed further down this rabbit hole. Just a big old skylight added to this building. See here, this is the beam I was talking about, which looks like it was cut. That supported this whole side. You can see cut from here, and that's why this thing is caving in. Thank you. Just a cool facility. Good for portraits and stuff too. And some good graffiti in here. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Callie1, Damien. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, please subscribe. If you like the video, hit the like button and leave a comment if you got something to say. We'll catch you in the next video.